Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari radiyallahu anhu says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was telling about the pendency of the revelation. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrated, "One day I was going, suddenly I heard a voice from the heaven. I raised my glance to see the very angel sitting on a chair in between the earth and the sky, who had come to me in the cave of Hira. So I feared him, returned home and said, 'Wrap me up in a blanket, wrap me up in a blanket.' So they wrapped me up, whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, 'O the mantled one, stand up, then run, and magnify your Lord alone, and keep clean your clothes, and remain away from the idols.'" Abu Salama narrates, "Ar-Rijza" means idols which were worshipped by the people in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance. The reporter says thereafter the revelation started coming regularly. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4954.